how to make a super realistic leather notebook mockup for your logos. Greetings everyone, it's good to see you again in this video. Today I'll show you how you can design an amazing mockup to showcase your logos and texts on the cover of a leather notebook. You can find materials for this project down in the description below. So first, go and download the files and then start with me. The process we'll be going through is very simple, so all you have to do is relax and enjoy the video. Open your image in Photoshop, paste your logo or text here and make sure to convert it to Smart Object. Now select the transform tool and scale it to the center of the notebook. When you're done, hit enter to accept the changes. Duplicate the logo twice by pressing Ctrl J and put them inside a group folder. Rename and hide the first logo. This layer will help you quickly open and change your logo at any time. Now rename your grouped logos and decrease their fill to 0%. Double-click on the highlight layer and create a bevel and embossed layer style. Set this style to embossed, depth to 70%, increase the size to 100 and soften value to 7 pixels. Change the angle to 160 degrees and make sure to use global light. Okay, set the highlight mode to color dodge using a white color and increase the opacity to 30%. Also leave the shadow mode to multiply with a black color and 55% opacity. Now check the before and after of this effect and hit OK. It's time to apply our second effect. Double-click on the final touch layer and activate bevel and emboss style. Set the style to emboss and depth to 80%. Make sure the direction is down and decrease the size to 24, soften value to 3 and angle to 163 degrees. Check the global light and increase the altitude to 37%. Now set the highlight to overlay. Increase the opacity to 60 and leave the shadow mode on multiply with a black color and an opacity of 80%. Activate inner shadow style. Make sure the blend mode is set to multiply with a black color. Increase the opacity to around 37%, angle to 110, distance to 13, choke to 0% and size to 12 pixels. Click on gradient overlay. Set the blend mode to linear blur, opacity to 20% and click on the gradient color to change it. Now set the first color to yellowish orange, set the second gradient color to reddish orange and the third one to dark brown. Change the angle to 130 degrees with a scale of 90%. Last but not least, we'll apply the drop shadow effect. Set the blend mode to normal, opacity to 30%, angle to 160 degrees, set the distance to 0, spread to 4%, size to 10 pixels, and click on this down facing arrow to change the contour to round steps, and we're done. As I mentioned, you can now use this layer to change your logo instantly. Just double click on it and change it to whatever you want. For example, I'll use a dollar logo. You can even add your desired name or any text. We've put the link for the project file down in the description below. Just click on it and you'll find the link. Feel free to use this project for your personal and commercial purpose. It's completely free. Also, a thumbs up on the video would be really appreciated, and make sure to subscribe and not miss any of our future videos. Till the next video, take care and goodbye.